Ingredients needed are a third cup of butter, a third cup and 1 tablespoon of flour, black pepper, salt, 4 cups of milk. Add the butter to the pot. Melt the butter. Add the flour into the butter and mix. Turn the heat completely off and pour in the milk. Whisk the milk in order to get rid of the lumps. Put the heat back to medium and stir with a spoon. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add in the salt and pepper. Switch back to a whisk to get rid of any remaining lumps. I decided to use my bechamel for pasta. I will be using these cheeses for my pasta. Stir the spaghetti pasta constantly to prevent them from sticking. Add in your bechamel sauce. Add in your cheeses. Mix the cheeses in the pasta. Pour in your pasta in a dish. Now your pasta with bechamel sauce is ready to serve. I added in some Italian seasoning for color.